Indian government and protesting farmers were unable to break their deadlock in talks, with the farmers saying on Saturday they will intensify their demonstrations against new agriculture laws and continue blocking key highways on the outskirts of the capital. Protest leaders rejected the government's offer to amend some contentious provisions of the new farm laws, which deregulate crop pricing, and stuck to the demand for total repeal. They also announced a nationwide strike for Tuesday. Protesting farmers would intensify their agitation and occupy toll plazas across the country on the strike day if the government didn't abolish the laws. The two sides will meet for further discussions on Wednesday. Thousands of farmers are protesting against reforms that they say could devastate crop prices and reduce their earnings. They have blocked highways on the outskirts of Delhi for the last 10 days. The farmers say the laws will lead the government to stop buying grain at minimum guaranteed prices and result in exploitation by corporations. They will push down prices. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government insists the reforms will benefit farmers. It says they will allow farmers to market their produce and boost production through private investment. But farmers say they were never consulted. Saturday's talks between Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and 35 farmer leaders were the fifth since the laws were passed in September. We had very good discussions today and we wanted a clear solution, but it was not possible. Tomar said after almost 5 hours of discussions, we will consider all the demands they have made and we will reach a solution. We assured them that minimum support prices for crops will stay. However, the leader of a farmers' union was quoted by the DPA news agency as saying that the government offered amendments to the law, but we want them repealed, and if new laws are made, they must be done with consultations with farmers' associations. Farmers are camping along at least five main highways on the outskirts of the National Capital Territory and have said they will not leave until the government rolls back what they call the black laws.